We proceed extra questions based on AP. The question, sum of the third and seventh term. The sum of the third and seventh term is 6. Means A3 plus A6. A3 plus A7 is 6. Sum of third term and seventh term of an AP is 6 and their product is 8. So find the sum of first 16 terms of an AP. We have given the sum of third term and seventh term is 6 and the value of third term is A plus 3 minus 1 into B and seventh term is A plus 7 minus 1 into B equals to 6. So it comes A plus 2D plus A plus 60 equals to 6. A plus A, 2A plus 2D plus 60, 8D equals to 6. Taking 2 as common, we get A plus 4D equals to 6 and the value of A plus 4D equals to 6 divided by 2. This comes to be 3. And also we have given their product is 8. Means A3 into A7 is 8. So A3 is again written as A plus n minus 1 into A plus 2D and A7 is given by A plus 6D equals to 8. So we put the value of, from here we eliminate the value of A. So name it second number equation and from first we eliminate the value of A. A equals to 3 minus 4B. The value of A we eliminate from first number equation. A equals to 3 minus 4D. Then from second number equation we put the value of A. From equation number second, the value of A we put in second number equation. So this is 3 minus 4D and plus 2D. Then A plus 6D. So 3 minus 4D and plus 6D. And this is equals to 8. We solve this and find the value of E. So it gives 3 minus 2D and 3 plus 2D equals to 8. A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. 3 the square 9 minus B the square 2D the square 4D square equals to 8. And 9 minus 8 equals to 4D square and 4D square equals to 1. 4D square equals to 1 and D square equals to 1 by 4 and the value of D comes to be plus minus 1 by 4. The square root of 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4. So now when B equals to plus 1 by 2, when B equals to plus 1 by 2, then the value of A we calculate from third number equation. So from equation number 3, the value of A is calculated 3 minus 4 into B and the value of D is 1 by 2. So it gives 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So the value of A is 1 and the value of B is 1 by 2. Now we have to find the 16th term of an AP. So A16 equals to A plus 16 minus 1 into means A plus 15D and put the value of A and D. So 1 plus 15 into 1 by 2 and 1 plus 15 by 2, LCM 2 plus 15, 17 by 2. So the 16th term is 17 by 2. We have to find the sum of first 16 terms. So we have to calculate the sum of first 16 terms. So S16 equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 1 by 2. So this comes 8 and 2 plus 15 by 2. So 8 into 4 plus 15, 19 by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 19 4 ja 76. This is the sum of first 16 terms. When d equals to 1 by 2 and when d equals to minus 1 by 2, then we find the value of a. So from third number equation, a is 3 minus 4d. A equals to 3 minus 4 into minus of 1 by 2. So it gives 3 plus minus minus plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So the value of A is 5 and the value of D is minus 1 by 2. Again we find the sum of first 16 terms, S16. So 16 by 2, 2 into A plus 16 minus 1 into minus of 1 by 2. So 8 into 10 plus minus minus 15 by 2. So 8 into LCM 2, 20 minus 15, 5 by 2. And it comes 20. So when d equals to minus 1 by 2, then the value, the sum of 16 terms is 20. Now we discuss next question, second number question. If the nth term of an AP is 1 by n, if mth term of an AP is 1 by n, mth term of an AP is 1 by n and the nth term is 1 by n and the nth term is 1 by n, then show that sum of mn terms, then show that the sum of, then show that the sum of m into n terms, m into n terms is 1 by 2 bracket m into n plus 1, m into n plus 1. So we have given the mth term means am equals to 1 by n. So am means a plus m minus 1 into d equals to 1 by n, first number equation. And the nth term is 1 by n, am equals to 1 by n. And this is a plus n minus 1d equals to 1 by second number equation. Solve these two equations. So from first and second, a plus n minus 1d equals to 1 by n, and a plus n minus 1d equals to 1 by n. We solve these two equations linearly and find the value of a and d. So sign would be changed, d is taken common, so m minus 1 minus n and minus minus plus 1 equals to 1 by n minus 1 by n. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, and d m minus n equals to, taking LCM, m into n, we get m minus n. From both sides m minus n cancelled, and it comes d equals to 1 by mn. The value of d is 1 by mn. Now we find the value of a. So put the value of d in first number equation. Put the value of d in equation number first. In equation first. So we get a plus m minus 1 and d is 1 by mn equals to 1 by 1. So a plus m minus 1 by mn equals to 1 by n, and the value of a is 1 by n minus m minus 1 by mn, taking LCM, m into n, 1 times m cancelled, and it gives m minus 1. We get m minus m plus 1 upon mn, minus plus gets cancelled, and a is also 1 by n. The value of a comes to be again 1 by n. Now we have to show that sum of mn terms, means we have to calculate Smn. This is mn by 2, 2a plus mn minus 1 into d. And then we put the value of a and d. So m into n by 2, 2a, 2 into 1 by mn, plus mn minus 1 into 1 by mn. So it gives mn by 2, 2 by mn, plus mn minus 1 by mn. By taking LCM, mn by 2 LCM, mn, you get 2 plus mn minus 1. So mn and mn cancel, and 1 by 2, and mn 2 minus 1 plus 1. So we get the sum of m into n terms is 1 by 2 and mn plus 1 by 2 times of mn plus 1. Then question number 3. The sum of n, 2n create terms of an AP. n, 2n 3n terms of an AP. The sum of n 2n 3n terms of an AP are S1, S2, S3 are S1, S2, S3 respectively. Then prove S3 equals to 3 times of S2 minus S1, 3 times of S2 minus S1. This we have to prove. S3 equals to 3 times of S2 minus S1. So, sum of n, 2n, 3n terms are S1, S2, S3. Let first term of an AP is A and its common difference is B. Then S1 is the sum of n terms. So S1 equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. S2 is the sum of 2n terms. So S2 equals to 2n by 2 and 2a plus 2n minus 1 into b. This is the second number equation. And S3 is the sum of 3n terms. So S3 equals to 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into. Now we solve RHS. So firstly we will find S2 minus S1. So from S2, the value of S2 is 2n by 2 and 2a plus 2n minus 1 into b minus the value of S1 is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into b. From these two terms, we take n by 2 as common. So it comes 2 into 2, 4a plus 2 into 2, 4nd minus 2 into 1, 2d, and n by 2 we have taken common. So minus of 2a, minus of nd, and minus minus plus of d. So we get n by 2, 4a minus 2a. This is 2a, 4a minus 2, and 4nd minus nd plus the 3nd and minus 2d plus d minus of d. So it comes n by 2, 2a plus, from these two terms b is common, so 3n minus 1. This is S2 minus S1 and 3 times of S2 minus S1. So this whole term is multiplied by 3. Then 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into b, and this is RHS. LHS. LHS means this is the value of S3. So 3 times of S2 minus S1 comes to be S3. So we prove that LHS is equals to RHS. Question number 4. If in an AP the sum of n terms is equal to n, the sum of n terms is equal to n, and the sum of n terms is equal to n, and the sum of n terms is equal to m. Then prove that sum of m plus n terms, then prove that sum of m plus n terms is minus m plus n. So we have given that sum of m terms means Sm is equal to sum of m terms is equal to n, and sum of m terms means m by 2 2a plus m minus 1 into b equals to n. Do cross multiplication. So 2a plus m minus 1 into b equals to, this becomes 2n by m, the first number. Now sum of n terms means Sn is equal to n. So n by 2 2a plus n minus 1b equals to n, and 2a plus n minus 1b equals to 2n by n. This is the second number equation. From first and second, we solve these two equations. So 2a plus m minus 1b equals to 2n by n, and 2a plus n minus 1b equals to 2n by n. We subtract, then remove the sign of denominator. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, d is common. So m minus 1 and minus n and plus 1 equals to 2n by m minus 2n by m. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, and d into m minus n into d. From these two terms, we take 2 as common. 2 is common, so n by m minus m by n, and m minus nd equals to 2. Taking LCM, m into n, we get n square minus of m square. So m minus n into d equals to 2 times of, taking minus as common from inside, it gives m square minus n square by m, and m minus n into d equals to minus 2. This will be written m plus n, m minus n upon m into n. So m minus n gets cancelled, and the value of d comes to be minus 2 m plus n upon m into, this is the value of d, minus 2m plus n. When the sum of n terms is equal to n and the sum of n terms is equal to n. So we get the value of d. Now put the value of d in first number equation. So from first, 2a plus m minus 1, and the value of d is minus 2 into m plus n upon m into 2a plus m minus 1 into d equals to 2n by m. So we get 2a plus minus minus 2 m minus 1 into m plus n upon m into n equals to 2n by m. And the value of 2a is 2n by m. The value of 2n by n, and this will go on right side, becomes positive. 2 into, remove the bracket, so m square plus m into n, then minus m and minus n upon m into n. So we take LCM, and the LCM is m into n. So m gets cancelled, and 2n square plus 2m square plus 2mn, then minus 2m and minus 2. So the value of 2a is the value of 2a comes to be 2n square plus 2m square plus 2mn minus 2m plus 2mn minus 2m minus 2. Now we have to find the sum of m plus n terms. S m plus n equals to n by 2 means m plus n by 2 and 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. M plus n minus 1 into d. So m plus n by 2, the value of 2a is 2n square plus 2m square plus 2mn minus 2m minus 2m upon m into n, and plus m plus n minus 1d. The value of d is this. So plus minus, it becomes minus, and m plus n minus 1 into 2 and m plus n upon m into n. We put the value of d. Then m plus n by 2, LCM comes to be m into n, and then 2n square plus 2m square plus 2mn minus 2n and minus 2, then remove the bracket. So m square plus mn minus m plus m into n plus m into n plus n square minus n. We remove the bracket, m into n, m square plus mn minus m plus mn plus n square minus n. So this is m plus n by 2 and 2n square plus 2n square plus 2mn minus 2m minus 2n, then minus 2m square, then minus 2mn, then minus minus plus 2m, then plus minus minus 2mn and minus 2n square plus 2m upon m into, so minus 2mn, this is plus 2m square and minus 2m square cancel, plus 2n square minus 2n square cancel, plus 2mn minus 2mn cancel, and we get m plus n by 2 minus 2n plus 2n cancel